welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, amazing and fab. Today's video is a review video for you guys, and today I'm gonna be doing a review on the brand called Upkarma. The brand Upkarma is all about Ayurveda, guys. They provide all Ayurvedic products. So they do have their website. I'm gonna link it down in the description box. Go ahead and do explore their website. So this is a collaboration video. They asked me for a collaboration. I said yes, and they sent me 3 boxes of Kesar. I'm not the first person to inform you about this. We guys already know that Kesar is the most expensive spice around the world. So they sent me 3 boxes of Kesar. The one which I'm holding in my right hand is the Kashmiri Kesar, and this one is the Afghani one, and this one is the mini pack. The MRP of Kashmiri Kesar, which contains 2 gram of product, is $9.99. The Afghani Kesar, which contains 1 gram of product, retails for 541 rupees. The MRP of this mini pack, which contains 500 mg of products, retails for 351 rupees. They sent me 3 boxes of Kesar, so altogether it's around 2000 rupees. So yeah, that's wow, amazing. This is what the outer packaging looks like. These 3 boxes look something like this. And on the front side of the packaging it says Upkarma Ayurveda Kesar premium quality. The back side of the packaging, they have mentioned the indication and dosage. Indication: blood purifier, vigor and vitality, complexion enhancer. Dosage: 1 to 2 stigma once or twice a day, or as directed by the physician. And on the side of the packaging it says Kesar by Upkarma Ayurveda purifies blood, improve heart health, elevates mood, strengthen muscles and bones, enhance complexion. The left side of the packaging it says Upkarma Ayurveda aims to bring you 100% natural solution to common ailments that can upset the rhythm of everyday life, giving you increased vitality and great energy to achieve more. It's what you're gonna get inside. Like, look at the packaging, guys. It's so fancy. It's like a jewelry box, and this is the product, the actual product packaging right here. It comes in a jar kind of a packaging. I do really like the packaging because it's fancy. It has gold details, and the jar is glass, guys. It's not plastic, it's glass, and I do really like the packaging. And next up, we're gonna open the Afghani Kesar box. And this is what the Afghani Kesar packaging looks like. And once you slide it down, this is what the inside of the box looks like. It's the same packaging, guys, but the names are different. It is Kashmiri and this is Afghani. So this one is also the same packaging. It comes in a glass jar like packaging. Open the mini one for you guys. Inside, this is what you gonna get it. Like, this is the actual product, the mini pack one. It's like a lip balm. This one is plastic one, guys, and this has a black cap. Those two have gold cap, and they are in glass and they are fancy. So the jars are not travel friendly, guys, because they are in glass, and you need to carry this along with the box. With the box it is travel friendly, but I do really like the fancy packaging. In the box they have sent this thing right here about the brand, like what is the aim of the brand. So I'm gonna quickly read out for you guys. Upkarma Ayurveda is a brand that understands the modern men's struggle with balance of life and works to restore balance and quality to life. We aim to discover and develop more pure Ayurvedic formulation in the most natural ways to ensure a healthy and fruitful life. Upkarma Ayurveda brings to you trusted and high quality creations designed to deliver the best cure and effective treatment, to promote a healthy body and stimulate mind to help you balance your life. The colors are really different to each other, guys. The Kashmiri ones are in brown side, and the Afghani ones are in, you know, like more of red side. So yeah, they do have different shades of color, but the smell is so strong, guys. When I received these Kesar in this kind of a box, it literally hit my nose. The smell was really strong. Have you ever been confused like which saffron is the best, like which brand is the best, whether the saffron strands are 100% pure and authentic? Then you have to watch my next video clip. So I'm gonna stop my blabberness right here. Please proceed. As you guys saw in my previous clip that these strands leave yellow tone, so they are 100% pure, 100% authentic, guys. I'm not the first person to inform you guys about saffron benefits. You guys already know that saffron it has loads and loads of health benefits if you consume it or if you apply it on your face. We Indians include saffron in foods like sweets, milk, almond and saffron milk, and sweets in firni, in faluda. We include saffron in sweets. So we can include saffron like in beauty products like toner or a face pack. You can mix saffron, rose water and aloe vera gel together and you can make a toner. It enhances your complexion, it brighten up your skin, and if you consume it, it gives within glow from inside. You know what I'm saying. I hope you understand what I'm saying. A lot of Indian pregnant women consume saffron during their pregnancy, and because they want their baby to be beautiful, fair and all that. And if you are a pregnant woman, if you are looking for authentic saffron, then I think you should try Upkarma because they are 100% authentic. So 100% authentic and 100% pure, natural. So all the good things are present in this small tiny jars right here. I have 3 jars of kesar with me. I can do a lot of things with this, like I can include kesar in my food, in my beauty products like my skincare. So it's all because of Upkarma. Thank you so much Upkarma for sending me this product. So that's pretty much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. The subscribe button is right on the screen. Click on it and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out any of my videos or updates. See you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.